Have you ever felt like time is running just a little too fast? Like that flight of stairs that used to be a breeze now feels like a mountain? Science tells us that after the age of 30, we begin to lose muscle mass silently. It is a condition known as sarcopenia. But what if I told you that the secret to maintaining a body that feels 30 when you are 60, 70, or even 80 years old isn't found in a magic pill, but in the way you move your body today? In this script, we are going to break down the 9 fundamental exercises that do more than just burn calories. They naturally activate your muscles, prevent bone loss, and shield your heart. Stick with me until the end, because exercise number 7 is the ultimate secret to never feeling back pain again. Shall we begin? Exercise 1. The stairway of life. More than a step, an elite workout. We start with something that is literally beneath our feet: stair climbing. Many people run away from a broken elevator, but those seeking longevity see it as a free gym. Climbing stairs activates your muscles in a natural and functional way. When you step up, you are performing a powerful contraction of the quadriceps, hamstrings, and of course the glutes and calves. But the benefit goes far beyond aesthetics. It is a high-intensity aerobic exercise that makes your heart pump blood more efficiently, clearing your arteries and improving your lung capacity. Furthermore, it is a secret weapon for weight control. By combining this effort with a balanced diet, you create a potent caloric deficit. And the best part? It is low impact compared to running, protecting your joints while strengthening your physical structure. Exercise 2. High knees, elevating mobility and balance. Our second movement is the knee raise, or high knees. As the years go by, one of our biggest fears is the loss of balance and the risk of falling. This exercise is the antidote to that. It focuses on motor coordination and hip mobility. By lifting your knee, you activate the psoas muscle and the hip flexors, areas that often become shortened when we spend too much time sitting. This movement also challenges your stability, forcing your stabilizer muscles to work hard to keep you upright. It is cardio, it is strength, and it is balance, all in a single movement that you can do right in your living room. Exercise 3. Strength training, your body's steel shield. We have reached the central pillar of youth: strength training. If you think weightlifting is only for those who want to get buffed, you are mistaken. Strength training is about survival. Resistance training, whether using weights, elastic bands, or your own body weight, creates healthy microlesions in the muscles which, upon recovering, become larger and stronger. This accelerates your basal metabolism. In other words, you burn more fat even while you are sleeping. More importantly, the controlled impact of weight stimulates osteoblasts, the cells that produce new bone, preventing osteoporosis and ensuring that your bone structure does not become as fragile as glass. Exercise 4. Yoga, the stretch that heals the mind. Now, let's balance strength with flexibility. Yoga. Often neglected by gym rats, yoga is an ancient practice that connects breathing and movement. Postures like downward-facing dog do not just serve to stretch the spine, they invert blood flow, bringing oxygenation to the brain and instantly reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Yoga teaches your body to be resilient. A flexible body is a body that does not break. It is the difference between a dry twig that snaps in the wind and a bamboo stalk that bends but remains standing firm. Exercise 5. Walking and jogging, the rhythm of the heart. Sometimes, the simple is the most sophisticated. Walking or jogging. This is the most democratic exercise in the world. Walking regularly keeps your blood pressure under control and improves blood circulation, which is vital for avoiding varicose veins and swelling in the legs. But here is a golden tip: do not walk just for the sake of walking. Try alternating the pace. 30 seconds of light jogging followed by 2 minutes of brisk walking. This intermittent stimulus does wonders for your mood, releasing a cascade of endorphins that combat anxiety and depression. Exercise 6. Swimming, the power of water. If you suffer from knee or back pain, swimming is your sanctuary. In the water, your body weight is reduced by up to 90%, which eliminates almost all impact on the joints. The resistance of the water is constant in every direction, which means that every movement you make requires effort from muscles you didn't even know you had. It is a full body workout that improves lung capacity in a unique way, teaching you to control your breathing, a skill that brings calm and focus to your life outside the pool. Exercise 7. The plank, the secret to flawless posture. This is the exercise I promised at the beginning, the plank. It may look like the person is doing nothing, but inside, the body is on fire. The plank strengthens the core, which is your body's center of gravity. When your core is weak, your spine becomes overloaded, and that is when herniated discs and lower back pain appear. By supporting your body weight on your forearms and toes, you recruit deep abdominals, back muscles, and even the glutes. Having a strong core is like wearing a natural belt that protects all your organs and your spine. Exercise 8. Push UPS, your functional strength. The 8th exercise is Push UPS. They are the definitive test of superior functional strength. Pushing something is a basic human movement. Push-ups work the chest, deltoids, shoulders, and triceps. In addition to strength, they require trunk stability. If you cannot do a full push-up yet, start with your knees on the floor. The important thing is progression. Keeping your arms strong means maintaining the independence to perform simple tasks, like carrying groceries or getting out of bed without help. Exercise 9. Calf raises, the second heart. Finally, calf raises. Did you know that the calf is considered our second heart? It is responsible for pumping blood from the lower extremities back up to the rest of the body. Strengthening the calf improves circulation, prevents cramps, and crucially, stabilizes the ankle. For those in their senior years, strong calves are the greatest protection against trips and falls. It is an exercise you can do while brushing your teeth or waiting for your coffee to brew. No excuses. 9 exercises. 9 paths to a longer, more independent, and vibrant life. Do not try to do everything at once if you have been sedentary. Choose 2 to start tomorrow. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Do not leave your health for later. Your future self will thank you immensely for what you decided to do today. Which of these exercises do you already do? Comment down below. Until next time, and keep moving.